I spend every waking hour at my desk. I study computer science, I work as a software engineer, and all my projects are software related. Because I live at my table every single day, it needs to work. And that's what we'll fix in this video. So in this video, we'll go from this old crusty setup to this new and perfect setup. But first a word from our sponsor. We don't have any sponsors. But before we build the new setup, let's have fun drink time. Today's fun drink time is not because we're demotivated, it's just because it's a new segment on our channel. So, today we are going to make lemonade. This is actually the easiest fun drink you can make. Let me show you how you do it. First, you cook some water. You have your ice cube, and you have your sugar, and you have your lemon, and you have your lemon squeezer. Then you take some sugar into your holder. Like that. When your water is done boiling, you pour it over the sugar to dissolve it. And when it's done dissolving, you just pour some cold water onto this to cool it down. When you've done this, now you can take your ice cubes and put them into this sugar water. Then I take my lemon and put it in the squeezer, and then I just squeeze it on top of this. And then give it a stir. And now it's the taste test time. Really good, really good. Over a year ago, I stopped gaming. And that led me to selling my gaming PC and buying a MacBook Pro instead. After having sold my gaming computer, this left me with a 24-inch 180p gaming monitor, not very pleasing to the eyes, a 28-inch 4K 144Hz gaming monitor, perfect for gaming, but I don't game anymore, a table the size of a hippo, and a cracked cable hill that nobody wants to lay eyes on. 5 different cables to be connected to my computer for me to be able to use the screens. And after having connected all these cables, they wouldn't even turn on automatically. It felt like I was wiring a spaceship every time I sat down just to code. But we're fixing that now. The goal is simple. Smaller desk, less clutter, and easy connection. We get 2 identical monitors with easy connection. We get 2 monitor arms for less clutter. We put everything together and boom, we have a new setup. And after all this, we still have a standing desk. We have 2 identical monitors who are equally big. We have easy connection. They are on monitor arms for less clutter. The cable management is so much better. We have all this even though it meant that I had to mount my cable rack with a screwdriver. The monitors are 27-inch 4K LG with IPS panel, 96 watts power supply and USB-C connection. Why did I choose these? Because they had good price, 4K and USB-C connection. The monitor arms are dutzo gaming monitor arms. Simple, easy. Why did I choose these? Cheap and easy to set up and move around. The computer I have is MacBook Pro M4 Max 16-inch, 36 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Why did I choose this computer? It's an insane portable working station, can handle anything that I throw at it, coding, video editing, anything. So overall, it has enough power to not make me miss my old gaming computer. The table is just an IKEA standing desk with the dimensions 100 by 80 centimeters. The keyboard and mouse is linked in the description, but it's a keychron keyboard and a Logitech mouse for now. So that's basically it. I hope you like this video. I really love my new setup and I'm already more productive than I were before. Now I actually want to work from home. See you in the next one.